Z-Space has changed the way we teach chemistry because they're able to see it, and I think that's made the biggest difference because you can't see a lot of these chemistry concepts. Having them see it in 3D has really helped them conceptualize everything we've been talking about. When we go back and bring up topics from previous lessons, the stuff that they were able to see are the stuff they remember the most. Z-Space has helped talking about where subatomic particles are located within each other. So we can say like, oh, they're in the nucleus and it's centralized. And then the electrons surround it. But when we looked at Z-Space and we said that these electrons are actually always moving, they're always surrounding them in orbit, they were able to see that because you can see the orbits. It takes these complex concepts and shows it to them where they are able to understand and see it. I think that was the best part of being able to use Z-Space this year for us.
I remembered also like when we did reactions. Like when we have a single replacement, the kids get to see the products formed. It gives them the autonomy to own their learning. Kids are engaged.
We can talk about these concepts over and over and they have a grasp and understanding it. But when they see it, it's just like they understand it even more and it makes sense to them after they've seen it. And like some of the lessons that we've done on there, especially using Z-Space, they remember those ones the most.
Yes.
Because they're able to see it and conceptualize it and put the words with an image, and I think that's the best part.